Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 13 Neo and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to block a number. We can use directly our contact list or let's say dialer settings. And of course I'll show you both options. So let's begin with the contact list, which simply means that thanks to this you can block a number which you've got currently saved. So let's enter the contacts, for example, using the dialer. Let's find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it, and then pick three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on block contacts or block numbers, and as you can see your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. So I don't want to report it as a spam, so let me untick this option and simply tap on block. And as you can see right here we've got this characteristic icon. What's more, it is notified right here, which simply means that from now on this contact is blocked. Of course you can unblock it the same way right here, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will actually appear on the blacklist. So now the second way to block a number, and thanks to this way we are able to block a number, let's say manually, so without the need to save it on our contacts. So basically it doesn't really matter if you will be on the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Here we have to tap on blocked numbers, and as you can see this is our blacklist. That's the number we just blocked from our contacts, and as I said, this way will allow us to block a number manually. Here we've got this option, add a number, so let's tap on it, and as you can see right here you can simply enter it manually. Let's tap on block, and as you can see it will be immediately applied on the blacklist. What's more, here we've got the option unknown, which simply means that after activating it just by tapping on the switcher, your device will block the calls from all unidentified callers. So this option may be quite useful. If not, you can always turn it off just by tapping on the switcher again. So if you'd like to unblock the number, you can do it from this level. Just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock, and as you can see this is how we can unblock the number. So basically that's all. This is how to block a number in your Motorola Edge 13 Neo. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.